Now we are going to learn the story of letter B. Okay. Once there is a smart boy. Okay. Once there is a smart boy. His name is Balu. Okay. His name is Balu. Okay. He came from school by bus. He came from school by bus with his bag and books. With his bag and books. He saw a banana in the basket. Okay. He saw a banana in the basket. He saw a banana in the basket. He is so hungry. So he ate very fastly. Okay. He ate very fastly and he went